development and salute the recent warning statement by the President of the Republic, His Excellency Pierre Nkurunziza, towards private companies that would be avoiding paying their taxes. We also call on the government to support the efforts of some associations that disseminate messages promoting financial independence through taxation and civic fiscal education in Burundi. To Burundian citizens, we reiterate the following. Only taxation can define our sovereignty and independence. Paying taxes is a civic pride. Only taxes can effectively finance the development of the country, and foreign aid would sometimes be a poison gift. We cannot expect anything in return when we have not fulfilled certain tax obligations. Through civil society organizations and journalists, we recall that only taxation plays a major role in defining certain freedoms, including freedom of expression and other fundamental rights. It is through citizen mobilization that corruption will be fought against. Finally, we call on the UN, its international bodies, and the governments to support the establishment of an intergovernmental UN tax body and the efforts of developing countries to get out of the odious debt that is crippling their economies and encourage the mobilization of domestic resources to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals and the 2063 African Union Agenda. Thank you.